Dwi'n mor falch o dderbyn medal Francis Hogan. Mae'n golygu cymaint I fi fel academydd Cymreig a rhywun sydd wedi cael gyrfa academig wych yng Nghymru.
Yeah, it's an absolute honour and it's amazing to receive it here in the Senedd. It's especially fitting that this is just down the road from Techniquest, where I visited many times as a child, and it was part of me falling in love with science and engineering.
I'm honoured to receive the Rhywun Medal from the Learning Society of Wales. I think it reflects the diversity of work across educational research, policy and practice. That's clearly hugely important for Wales as we embark upon these major education system level reforms that have been taking place over the last few years and will continue to do so over the coming years.
Mae'n anrhydedd wirioneddol arbennig I derbyn y fedal hon. Mae cael y fath gydnabyddiaeth ar ddechrau gyrfa yn brofiad mor arbennig a dwi'n wirioneddol ddiolchgar i'r Gymdeithas Dysgedig ac I bawb wnaeth enwebu a chefnogi'r enwebiad ac I bawb hefyd am eu cefnogaeth cyson ar hyd fy nghyrfa hyd yn hyn.
Well, I'm really proud and honoured to be here tonight to receive the medal. It's great validation for the work I do and for the people that I support and the people who've supported me over the past decade.
Yeah, I'm thrilled. I'm so happy to receive the medal, and it's such an honour and a privilege to get this award, this medal, on behalf of myself and my collaborators who